Zippy, Leo, Maya, Professor Paws, and I are going to learn about hygiene habits today. Staying clean keeps us very healthy. Whoosh! Maya shows us how to rub soap between our fingers. Zippy scans for germs while Leo splashes water. Splish! And Paws watches. Now we brush our teeth in small circles. Maya uses a timer. Zippy glows green, and Leo mimics us with enthusiasm. Scrub. Professor Paws explains that daily baths wash away dirt. Maya prepares the towel, while Leo shakes dry, and Atharv laughs loudly. We must keep our nails short and clean. Maya helps Atharv trim them, while Zippy illuminates the area and Leo watches. Clip. Brushing our hair makes us look neat and tidy. Maya combs Atharv's hair, while Leo wags his tail and Zippy observes. Always cover your mouth when you sneeze using your elbow. Maya demonstrates this perfectly, while Leo sneezes too, and Zippy records. Achoo! Achoo! Wearing fresh clothes every day feels wonderful. Maya picks a shirt, Atharv changes, and Professor Paws nods in total academic approval. Rustle. Keeping our room clean is part of hygiene too. We pick up toys together while Leo carries a ball and Zippy scans. Clatter! We learned so much about staying clean today. Friends, please subscribe and ring the bell icon. See you soon for adventures. Ding!